like to report stolen edges. Who took them? Dose of Colors. Can you tell that my intro is inspired by the Dose of Colors promo for these shadows? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Shayla, if this is your first time here. So in today's video, we are reviewing the brand new Dose of Colors Block Party Razzly Dazzly Sparkly Eyeshadows. Okay, I think they're just called the Block Party eyeshadows, but there's 20 brand new eyeshadows for $20, and let me see what this little card says here, okay? Okay, the eyeshadow is packed with tons of reflex, creating an ultra dazzling finish, okay? And it is sparkly. Here is the PR package. Open it. You can see just how pretty the visuals are on the packaging. Look at that. They have like a little iridescence. You probably can't tell in the video, but it's popping. One thing I love about this collection, before even trying it, I just love the color. I love that there's those rich greens, teals, you have bronzy shades, pinks, purples. It's not just browns, you know, and I just feel like this is the year where we bring back color, we bring back the smoky eye. Don't get me wrong, I love my bronze and browns, you know, that's my jam right there, but it's time to just freshen things up with some color, you feel me? In this video, I'm gonna apply the eyeshadow. You're gonna see my first impressions, and then afterwards, I'm gonna let y'all know if it's worth it or not. So if you wanna learn how to get this look, continue to watch. You already know, I'm gonna put some mattes in the crease, so I'm gonna start with my Perception palette. I'm gonna use Culture, which is like just a soft brown in the crease. I always start with a matte transition color. Matte colors give that blended look, which is why we always put them in the crease. Like, you guys just don't even know how excited I am about these eyeshadows. Like, yes, color. I think what I'm actually gonna do in another video is use my palette and then put some of these reflex on top to give it like that extra glitter, pow, pizzazz, you know what I mean? All right, next I'm gonna apply Played Out, which is like a deeper brown, because we are getting dramatic. I'm gonna add my Colourpop 36 concealer to the lid. I'm not gonna cut the crease, I'm just gonna add it mainly as like a primer. I would probably cut the crease with some of the lighter shades, but because we're using a darker color, I'm just kind of using it so that the shadow has something to stick to. All right, the moment we've all been waiting for. I'm gonna use X-Ray, which you can see I've already swatched it. I've played with this so many times. So I'm curious to see if like the shimmer, if that kind of like metallic look is gonna show up after I've kind of taken off the first layer. So let's see. The directions say use your finger, so I'm gonna use my finger. And this is color X-Ray. Oh my gosh. No fallout? Why didn't these come out earlier? That's all I have to say, okay? Do you see this? Hold up. Let me get my life together real quick. Hold up. Wow. This is not no dose of color, okay? This is like the whole container. Look at that. Wow. Oh my gosh. I'm literally shook. Like, where are my edges at? See? That's why I didn't take my headband off, because I knew my edges would be snatched. I don't even know what to say right now. So look at the pan. I just want you guys to see this. It almost looks like the top layer had the most shimmer, but there's metallic shimmer throughout the whole shadow, and I'm literally like trying to find my edges. Come back. Like, look at that. Wow. So you can use your brush for a lighter coverage, and I think I am gonna put a little bit in here using a brush in like those tight corners, but this is just like, life is just been given. It's too early, okay, to be this shook. All right, this color is Teal Me More. It is just beautiful. It's gorgeous. Like, look at this. Oh my God. Listen, when you mix these, something magical happens. Like, I know this is super intense by itself, but over the black, it kind of gives like a blackish blue look. I haven't been this shook since my palette came out. Shoot. Wow, I'm just like living my best life right now. Typically when I do a black smoky eye or a dark smoky eye, I'll use a black liner as a base just to make the color that more intense, but I wanted you guys to see what it looked like. I mean, I wanted to see what it would look like without anything under it because I wanted to know if the color was true. And honey, it is everything and more. Okay, let's line. I'm over here like, okay, I can't keep talking about how shook I am. I need to finish the tutorial. This is Dose of Colors Shady Eyeliner. It's a black high pigment liner that I just love. I'm gonna set my liner with Stallion eyeshadow from my Perception palette. And I think I may even put a little bit on the corner here. I'm gonna smudge under the lash line to give like a smoky effect. I'm also gonna add a little bit of Stallion in the outer corner of my crease. We want the drama. This looks even more intense in person. Like ooh, I'm excited. All right, I'm gonna put a little bit of Teal Me More just on the center underneath my lash line. I'm gonna use an angled brush just because I know if I try and use my finger, it's gonna be a hot mess and I'm gonna ruin everything. So I'm just gonna put a little bit with my angled brush. Oh yeah. Wow, like even with my angled brush, like are you serious? The pigment in these shadows is so fine. I don't know the word to describe it, but when I used to work at MAC, we called it jet milled, where it was just milled super fine. And I can't even feel it on the eye. You know, a lot of times with like super sparkly eyeshadow, sometimes it can feel chunky. This doesn't feel chunky at all. It doesn't feel like anything. So that's definitely a good thing. Like I just knew when I swatched them that this was gonna be amazing. Like I just knew it. I knew it. This is my Maybelline Big Shot Mascara. I'm gonna add my Lily Hollywood lashes. I've used these like 5 times, you guys already know. A good lash is a reused lash. I just made that up. I'm gonna highlight my skin with Boom and Highlight from my Colourpop collab. I'm gonna bronze my cheeks with the Bobbi Brown Deep Bronzer. I'm not gonna put a lot of color on my cheeks because I just want like a contoured look, especially because my eyes are the focus, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna finish off this look with Colourpop BFF3 Lip Liner, Quickie Lipstick, and Neat Freak Lip Gloss. Ooh, I forgot to highlight my nose. Ooh, that's how you, that's how you know I'm shook, when I'm forgetting steps. A little bit of booming on my nose. And here is a finished look. All I have to say is when you get these shadows, tie down your hair and hide your edges, okay? Because they will be on the flow. Hopefully by now you guys can tell that I am actually obsessed with the quality, the pigment, the payoff, the sparkles. Everything about these eyeshadows is bomb AF and I give it a 10 out of 10. Boom. Thank you guys for watching my review. I hope you love these shadows as much as I do. I'm probably going to be wearing these every day on top of my palette. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment below, and last but not least, strut and slay. This, you know what Girl. I'm going to give you my first impressions. You already know. Wow. Should we put a little bit of blue on the bottom? Just shook, shook, shook. Okay. Who am I talking to? Myself. Life has been given. This is a burn. Look at it. This is the middle of the curling one. This is the end of the curling one. Ready, 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 ready. Listen, I'm gonna apply it. Is it worth it? I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready. Smoky eyes are back. Yes. Yep, they took them here, right here in LA. Oh my.